Science experiment, we're going to be seeing how water magnifies and makes stuff look weird. So, we have a Mother's Day card, since today was Mother's Day. And
it still is.
Yes, yes.
Look how it makes it move, and it's weird. I could do that all day long.
Well,
Okay.
anyways, and if we put it up to this small thing I wrote. Just a second.
Okay, hold that up.
Does it show it?
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yes it does. What does that say, everybody?
It says hello.
And then
we have a little picture I drew.
Oh my goodness.
Pretty awesome.
Look, bigger, 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 bigger. Kind of. I don't know. Okay.
And then, if we put a spoon in it, it makes it really big. And then if we do this, it makes my hands look really big.
Oh my goodness. Cool. Cool experiment, Zayden. Delatory.
Oh. Well, yeah, that's it.
Okay, bye.
Bye.